Okay, for number 6, we're going to start with the projection of V onto W, and we're going to call that W1, and that, we need the component form up here. So wait, let's rewrite this. V is equal to 3, -1, and W is equal to 9, 9. So our dot product would be 27 plus -9 over 81 plus 81 times W. Okay, so 27 minus 10 would be 17. So minus 1 less would be 18. So my brain works. 18 over 162. So that would be, let's see, simplify that, right? 9 over 81. And that can be 1 over 9, right? Is that right? 1 over 9 times W, which is equal to 1, 1. Crazy. Good vector. So W1 is equal to 1, 1. And now W2 is equal to V minus W1, which is equal to 3, -1 minus 1, 1, which is equal to 2. And -1 minus 1 would be -2. So V is W1 plus W2. So it's 1, 1 plus 2, -2. So that is number 6. Okay, number 7 says a 225-pound statue is sitting on a hill with an angle of 35 degrees. Okay, what force? So we want the force is required to keep the statue from sliding down the hill. So we want W1 here. This would be W2. This is our force. And we have our unit vector V that we're going to use to get that force, or to get that magnitude of W1. So we're going to project F onto V. Okay? And let's see. We're going to make some vectors. So let's see. F is equal to, how much was it? 225 pounds. So that would be 0, -225, because it's downward. And then V is a unit vector, would be 1 cosine 35 degrees, 1 sine of 35 degrees. Okay, and so our projection of F onto V would equal F, the dot product, F times dot V over the magnitude of V squared times V. So the dot product would be 0 plus -225 times sine of 35 degrees. That's so messy. Let me rewrite it. -225 times sine of 35 degrees. And remember, that's over 1 times V, which is the unit vector. So all we have to do is figure out what -225 sine of 35 degrees is. And I get -129.05. and that would be times v. So this is the projection of v onto f, and that's equal to, we're going to call that W1, and the magnitude of W1 would be 129.05, and we're in pounds. Okay? It's such a bad handwriting right here, so I don't mean to confuse you. Now, remember I did the shortcut, if you read the notes, on how to get from here to there. You can certainly do the square root of, well, you'd have to do negative 225 sine 35 is negative 129.05, and then v is cosine 35 sine 35, and so you would multiply that through and then take the magnitude, but you're going to get 129.05 pounds back again, because again this is the unit vector. So that's the answer, 129.05 pounds.